Well, we're continuing to track a little more of the same, it looks like, as we get into our Thursday. Temperature is going to be maybe a touch cooler than what we were tracking for our Wednesday, back into those low 80s, but again, it still looks like more sunshine. We may actually see some of those puffy white clouds here later on this afternoon, something we haven't seen the first 3 days as we get into this week. Tonight, again, still hanging on to those mostly clear skies, not only this afternoon, but even into the overnight hours with temperatures falling back into those upper 50s. We're going to be staying quiet, and that's going to be a bit of a theme here as we go forward over these next few days here. Looking at Football Friday again, my kickoff nice and comfortable. We got more 80s on the way, low 80s as we get into Friday afternoon, but by about 7 o'clock backing into the middle 70s here. So nice and comfortable by halftime, still hanging on to those upper 60s. And as we get into this weekend, again, stop me if you've heard this before, low 80s on Saturday, right about there again, it looks like, as we get into Sunday. So again, continuing to track a little bit of cloud cover maybe on Saturday from what's left of Delta. Here's a look at those upper level winds, and you can already see Hurricane Delta roaring ashore on Louisiana as we get into tomorrow, and that's where that cloud cover may come from the first day this weekend. As we get into Sunday, I think most of us are going to be staying a little bit more cloud free, but we're going to be tracking this upper level trough, and exactly where this sets up here is going to be a key to how our week's going to be starting off. As we get into Monday, could be looking at a stormy start, but this is the latest run of Future Track as we head all the way through this weekend, staying dry. There goes Delta passing us off to our south and east, and there's those storm chances kind of sweeping on through the upper Midwest. It looks like as of right now, at least with some of the data coming in this morning, that we're leaning more northerly in terms of those storm opportunities here. Places like Iowa up toward Minnesota could be dealing with those storms. Now, that could pretty easily slide just to our south. There are still a lot of questions exactly where we're going to be placing that area of low pressure. And again, the timing, it looks like, is actually started to scoot up just a little bit. So we're very much trying to hit a moving target still 5 days out as we continue to track some of these storm chances on Monday. Delta may be causing some problems with some of that model data. Hopefully we can try to clear that up here as we get on the other side of about Friday. And as we get all the way through Saturday and Sunday, we should have a better idea as what these storm chances are looking like on Monday. Other than that, looks like it's pretty smooth sailing across mid-Missouri. If we don't get any of those storm chances on Monday, we will get some cooler air, it looks like, by Tuesday and Wednesday, as that trough kind of sends some of that our direction. We'll be a little closer to where we should be this time of year as we work our way into the middle of next week.